Hello friends, myself Chandra and welcome all of you in my channel Anytime Money. So last few days I am not posting any video due to some busy schedule. So we post our levels for gold that currently gold at near about $1775. So firstly we draw our major support areas and resistance areas where the levels are good, and always take levels based on the little bit higher time frame, and never draw some single lines. You always draw levels with a some zone, because lines is not getting clear view on that. So we draw the levels firstly, then we clear the exact levels for the today's scenario. So if market is currently little bit struggling nearby 100 and 100 1700, so this is a one major support area. So this is the total overall. If we go with little bit 1 hour, so these are the areas where my market should be go ahead further today, and always do some lines based on the little bit bigger time frames, so you get a very good picture about trend and levels to trade. First we draw the horizontals, and so this is currently at market. If we go little bit low side, so in downside there is a next target is around 1766 if it is broken the level of 1777. So now we draw the major levels. So now we go for some trend lines. Now trend lines is currently, this is the one trend line, it is nearby trend line. If we go in 30 minutes, we check that there is some other levels as well, and you no need to look for a very big levels. You always do with trends and everything. 1 second. So we go for 15 minute. Okay, now if we go little bit shorter trend line, so if you check that this is a one trend is moving downwards. So currently at 1775. So the best part of trade, you need to take the near about 75 to 76 range for target of 77, or if you go for a bigger time frame. Yeah, so this is the today's areas, and you need to check the levels based on the market, where market is rejecting or not. This the market is rejecting from 74 to 75 level, correct? So our buying areas are near about 75. If this candle is rejecting, if you check in a smaller time frame as well, so if it is rejecting from 74 75 area, so above 75.500 we go for buy. And always check, wait for the targets, means wait for the market reaching at these level, then only took trades. Else you always not get good trades. Like today I give sell around 79 70 80, and it is currently at 75, so near about 5 15 pips. So that is overall stuff. So you check the levels, I post the levels, you take that screenshot, and you understood. So this is the areas where you likely need to trades for a gold. So if we go for other product like Bitcoin, no, I go for Ethereum because Ethereum is moving better than Bitcoin. So in Ethereum, if we check the levels, firstly we draw the horizontal levels. Always draw some levels based on recent market high, market lows, and then you need to take the trade. So firstly we do for a 30 minutes, we check that where is currently market is. So we draw some better levels to understand today's movement and find the better opportunities at trading. We come up with our next session with some learning sessions. We post regularly basis some basic trading strategies which is totally free to every users, every subscriber, and you need to check that market is currently at 1944. So the best level of to trade currently is near about resistance. So if you sell that area, so our target is 29. If it support that 29, so can we draw one shorter near about 29 horizontal, that is 29. So we draw the levels based on 30 minutes. We now do to 15 minutes. So first trade, our buying area is a near about 28 to 31. If it is holding sometime, so we go for buy and not for this target, always with the recent high targets. Or if you go for sell side, so always go for recent low, not for a bigger target. So if you doing scalping, so you need to do at a perfect time, perfect entry, so get better results. So these are the levels I mentioned as well in video description, and also you took screenshot for that, or you can also draw some trend lines so you get some idea on that what are the better areas to trade. If you check market is coming back to our area, so trend line basically this 30 minutes I go in 13 minutes. So you check that it is rejecting from this area, so that is a better area 30 or 31, that is a buying area. So you go with that and took some trades. Also we started our testing our new scalping EA, means robot, which is automatically trade, and we post daily basis updates on our group that what is the results. So if you check in a last what happened with this, that is this is we tested from tomorrow. So if you check that 1200 with $1000 accounts, and it is nearly get 265. If you check that with $104 today's profit it is booked. And last we started with 16. So in 16 if you check that deposit with $100 and currently $265 made in a 2 days. So we test this EA robot and try to figure out the best combinations to get good profit with the lower risk, and you get the all results with our group. So that is from my side today video. So if any query anything, you just drop message on Telegram or comment on video description, so we will help out to you resolve your queries. So gold is around 174. So more likely it is will be again if it is break the 1774 level and sustain, so target is 1771. If 177 is broken, so our target is near about 67. So this is overall for today's video. Thank you so much guys to check that. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.